What is up, you guys? Today, we are going to be touring a phenomenal floor plan by Shaddock Homes. This floor plan is roughly 3,500 square feet, starts right around 900,000, a little bit more, and boasts 4 bedrooms, plenty of space to entertain, a separate theater, you name it. This house has it all, and you won't believe how stunning and gorgeous this color scheme is inside. So seriously, let's go and take a look inside. What did I tell you? This home is absolutely stunning. I know that we've toured hundreds of new construction model homes at this point, but if this is one thing that I know about Shaddock, they are always pushing the limits to make sure that they are at the top of innovation and design. Look at this beautiful blue kitchen. I'm genuinely curious if you think this blue kitchen will age well, or if you think it's something that might go out of date within a couple of years. Regardless, right now as it stands, this house is beautifully stunning. Coming past the dining room from the kitchen, you come into this beautiful living area. One thing about this is natural light really seems to be the center of attention. Everything draws your eyes up because these ceilings are so freaking tall, and they put more windows up there to let even more natural light in. While a lot of luxury home builders go out of their way to make sure that the master suite feels like a suite, Shaddock has done a phenomenal job at making sure that this whole room is filled with natural light. Seriously, the whole back wall is basically windows. But then on top of the bed, they perfectly position these 3 windows to let all the natural light in, but still preserve that privacy. It draws your eye up to these beautiful vaulted ceilings. As you come up these stairs, you really get to appreciate these beautiful white oak floors that carry perfectly with the banisters all the way up. Again, Shaddock is constantly pushing the design by making even a plain wall on the way up the stairs look beautifully and like a piece of art. You really start to appreciate the beautiful oak white floors that are carried on from the first to the second floor. This landing beautifully oversees the big living room downstairs, so as the kids play and you entertain downstairs, you can still hear what's going on. We don't always show you guys hallways, because honestly, it's a hallway. But this particular hallway is so spacious and wide that we just had to show you the connection between all 3 secondary bedrooms upstairs. One thing that I would say is consistent across all Shaddock floor plans and pretty much every community I visit is the size of their secondary bedrooms. All these rooms are big enough for the bed, the nightstand, the dresser, and the desk, and still have plenty of room to walk around and, I don't know, color, whatever you want to do. Continuing with Shaddock's extensive attention to detail, this home is perfectly positioned on this lot to maximize the size of your backyard and how you entertain and live in it. This backyard is perfect for some games, even a bounce house, but still allows you to entertain on this beautiful Texas-sized patio. On top of that, don't worry about lugging in those propane tanks because your grill has its own gas connection right here. Thank you, Shaddock, so much for letting us film your beautiful home. If you are in the market for a new construction home, I want to connect with you. If you just like looking at beautiful homes like this, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.